I have been using and loving this Frieling French press. This is the 36-ounce polished steel press since 2017. My husband and I have loved it for all of those years. We even did try to switch off of it at one point, and I have made comparison videos on some of the French presses I have tested, but we came back to this one for a variety of reasons that I want to get to in this video. But I also want to share that Frieling just gifted me their 17-ounce French press. It does come in a variety of sizes and a replacement innards for my 36-ounce French press, which is really cool. One of the best parts about this French press is that it is made for life and it is plastic free. There are absolutely no plastic components at all, and the only thing that you may want to replace over time, and what caused us to actually test a couple other devices for a little bit there, is this mesh element right here. When we got this in 2017, it actually had a prior design of this mesh component, and I think we replaced this in 2024, so I already have the new one in, but I was gifted another set of it. And let me show you just how easy it is to switch this out. It really does just twist right off, and you do need to take this apart from time to time, as coffee grounds can get stuck in it. And then the top comes off, and you can see this one's a little dirty in here. And then you have a double mesh filter here. And this is what gives you that really clean, crisp, bright brew that I find you get from a Frieling. And then it's all held together by this element at the bottom, which, as you can see again, is a little dirty. I did not take this apart for this video. Now, I was just gifted this new component right here, which I do think is the same component, but they did improve upon it. So if you've used a Frieling in the past and didn't think it was as good at removing all the grounds as you thought, or maybe you have one and want to improve it, they did improve this element to give you a cleaner brew. And then you just have your two filters again, and then you use the same base. So I can stick all these new elements together and it's going to work the same way, and then just twist right on. Now, this is a patented filtration system with that double mesh that comes from the Italian French presses, and that spring around the sides, and the whole design of how that all goes together is very clean, very unique to Frieling, and that's how you get that really nice, clean, bright coffee on the other side. And the whole point is that once your coffee has brewed and you've stirred it once and let it get all those wonderful flavors, you will put the top on, and then you can easily press this. There's always a balance, because you want to be able to press that down easily and not have it be impossible to press down, but still catch as much grounds as possible. And that's that fine line that they're walking here to really give you that clean brew that doesn't have any sediment in it, but you are also able to actually press down on. It's not such a fine mesh, such a fine filtration that you cannot properly press the French press. And I would be shocked if you haven't heard of Frieling before or seen one of these, as they're used in so many hotels, so many locations, because they are that impressive. They make that good of coffee, and they're that durable, built for life. Now, I have loved the 36-ounce, obviously, forever, but the one problem with this is if only my husband or only I want to drink coffee, it is not as easy to use this for a single portion. You can do it, but it's more ideal to have the right French press for the job. And that's where this 17-ounce comes in, as this is the perfect French press for one person. You should get 1 to 1.5, maybe 2 cups of coffee out of it. Depends on the size of your coffee cup, of course. And this one has the exact same system, just smaller. Nice, clean little system there. And I think it's absolutely adorable. You can get these in the polished stainless steel or you can get them in matte stainless steel. They've also now come out with colors, but the colored versions are a more simple version and the colors can come off over time. So I like sticking with the stainless steel versions, as again, I want something that's going to last and look beautiful in my home for life. And this has certainly proven its worth. It is almost 10 years old now, and it still looks almost like the day I got it. It does have some scratches and wear and tear, but overall, it's fantastic. Now, one last piece I want to pass on is the recommended way to use this from the co-founder, and that is to put in the grounds, add the water, and let it bloom for about 1 minute. Then stir, and then let it steep for 3 to 4 minutes, and then press. And the reason why French press is so well loved and gives such a unique, more complex, slightly brighter coffee than you can get with any other method is that it actually maintains the colloids and flavor-carrying oils that the rest of the methods filter out. So really stand out. I cannot recommend Frieling enough. I have obviously used it forever, and I'm gonna keep using it moving forward. And on those days where it's just for me, I'll be using the small one, and when it's for my husband and I'll be using the big one. These are French presses that I will have for my life, and I will love every moment of it, and I'm sure you will as well. Frieling is without question the best French press I have ever tested.